Hope everyone is doing good, and I'm doing this video for just education purpose on how we trade, on how we handle these charts from my strategy. This is what I do. All signals you get from my group, YouTube, whatever it is, live sessions. This is what I do. So I would like to take you through this GBP USD pair, basing the buyers on a bearish market structure or price action, because the secret here is to understand the basics and the main factors, or the factors which contributes to market contributes uh, to this market, so that it can sell or buy. Because there are many cases and also many other ways or on this market that make it to behave either in a buy or in a sell, the direction of a buy or a direction of a sell. So I would like to go straight to the points. And one thing about my strategy is I try to simplify everything. I do also try to explain it in layman's language, a language that it's not complicated, a language that everyone can understand, because no need of using so hard, difficult terms in this in forex trading. Some people are making it to look complicated and very hard, and also some of these terminologies, I think they drain our these terminologies kind of, they drain our energy, you know, to think in the right way, because no one out there is willing to show you the way to make money from this market. They are trying to complicate things, and so that they can make money from it. These people, you ask yourself this question. You will find that there is a broker like HFM market. The person who is kind of looks like professional and to understand the market, these guys go for that guy. Yeah, they give him a whole deal, like do affiliate, bring us more clients. Ask yourself why. If this guy is so professional that he can milk this market, it means that they don't need this guy to bring more clients to their platform, because they will take their money away. Right? So for me, I decided to go against everything. And that's the time I discovered my strategy. Okay. I decided not to use support and resistance. I decided that support and resistance has to be, I use it like liquidity grab or else liquidity sale. Yes. So I'm going to start this session explaining everything. First, my strategy is based on accumulation, manipulation, distribution, AMD, supported by open high low close and open low high close. So after I get manipulation of the market, after market accumulates, I get the manipulation phase. I trade at distribution phase. If I'm going bullish, bullish is buying. I wait market to open low, I close, right? So this is, I said, this is for just education purposes, but I'm basing everything on large speculators, how the positions were, because we have I do deal with two types of people in this trading market. We have retailers and we have big large hedgers, speculators, whereby we have the retailers who are, they just they trade under break even, like they trade and they don't make profit from the market. They just hedge. Yeah, they are not in losses, they are not in profits, they're just somewhere, right? They got small loss, they got small. So these people will trade you know, you cannot follow them because they will move market up, they will move market down within the same time. During an under session, they will move the market up. During the session, they move market down. Right? I don't trade with these people, so I do go against them. Okay. So I just want to take you through what I have because there's something here. Okay. There is something. Most likely, the big boys, whereby these are the banks and institutions who are trading this market to make profit, whereby they are taking retailers' money, and retailers' money, they are, so most of them, they are SMC traders and ICTs. Okay? But not all of them. Some of ICT and SMC traders, they know what to do. Why? These people now, they have the analysis under this market structure and whatever it is, for example, now they bring the data of these the big boys, what they are doing outside there, and they make very good trading opportunities, right? So I'm going to start the session. So, like for instance, here I said this is for education purposes. So everyone who is in my whatever my VIP and everything, just I'm handling this in a way that if tomorrow you get an opportunity, this is how you're going to tackle it. Because everything is the same, right? So if we got the plans of selling, this is what we'll be expecting to see. Now, we start our session now. We don't trade if there is no sweep of liquidity. Either sweep or the liquidity is taken, you should see that first. That is the first thing. So, where is the liquidity? Liquidity is at weekly high and weekly low, day high or day low, session high or session lows. Whereby the session highs and session lows, they come at hand with swing highs, swing lows of the market under these high time frames, H4, H1. Yeah. So we saw a sweep of liquidity above previous week. Yes. After market opened and took that liquidity, very keen. Okay. It's very simple. You don't need a lot of drawings in your chart. It happened on Monday. So on Tuesday, it's our sell day, classic sell day, right? Now, from there, it's your job to check from the data or else to understand the charts in a way that you should know where the retailers are. No? Okay. So on Tuesday, we had this leg from here to here, meaning that this leg is the leg that will give us the sole opportunity. While the market was going up, market gave us a favor lookup, right? So many people, they could tell, they could see this as, yeah, market, and they enter at this favor lookup, whereby the big boys, we know we are the right position of selling the market because we have in pricing balance, and that is an indication of a price that's supposed to be taken, or market has to be pulled back to it. Now, on Tuesday, we were supposed to look for sales, right? Right? Why? We took this high when we closed before below it. See? Below the high. Okay. I said this is for education purposes. Even if we've gone through my membership, we need to go through this and also try to understand this price in a better way. We've done all this, but we should understand that Forex has many ways. It can set itself in a different way that it don't look like your yesterday's structure or yesterday's price action. You know? So when we come here on Tuesday, we're supposed to be selling. Okay. But you know something? You know something? According to my strategy, I do enterprise market takes liquidity the next day. Okay. So we know we have price imbalance and it was inversed by this green one, red one. So at least we had to see price coming back to our point of interest. That way is where we're going to taking our looking for our entries. So while market was still going down, let's say that for instance, because you can see this market did not play out because we have to, you know, with this kind of market structure, based price on a big boys players from big boys and their positioning, you should know that a clear opportunity has to come, right? So on Tuesday we do not get any entry, but we confirmed that we're going down. Okay. So on Wednesday, market took previous day's low. It is on Tuesday, right? There was boss here, break of structure. Okay, right? So we supposed to see market liquidity, and this liquidity, as we said, it is right a previous day liquidity, session high liquidity, previous week liquidity. So we can see we have point of interest above here. Okay, at this point of interest. In fact, have you ever looked up that was broken and we're waiting for retest. So let's call it point of interest. Okay. Yeah. No. Point of interest. Okay. So above this high is where the point of interest is. So can you see market broke down, went this on this day, Thursday, market opened, took the liquidity, okay, right, and got inside our point of interest. Yes, you got it. You got it now. So we were good to go. We were good to sell. Very simple. So every time we are looking for entry, we must see liquidity being taken. And that liquidity being taken is the one we call it inducement. We have to see inducement happening. Market inducement has to happen. Market has to induce these higher buyers and early sellers, you know. And this is where inducement is. Why? Because at that zone, that's a swing high. And you will find that this is a swing high either from London or New York or Asian, sorry. So we have that swing high. It's taken out. It is liquidity because you see, I've said, I've written it like this is the current liquidity we got. Okay. So after we took that liquidity, we have now to align price and time. And price and time comes in New York session or London session, right? And because this is the start of distribution phase, most times it comes during New York session. Then we do the continuation during London session. Guys, you know, I really, I don't know what else guys you should look for. This video is educating you everything. I would like to tell you guys, you can just go through this video more than 50 times because you should understand this. Wacha mambo mingi bana, wacheni kurukaruka. Choose one mentor naye. And I do tell you guys, before you go and choose your mentor, if you don't hear vitu nasema hapa, auzisikii kwa hiyo mentor, don't go there. Ukisikia mentor na mention hizi vitu, go there. Usiende kwa SMC guys only. These guys are just trading from market structures, taking high, taking, they just structure, sijui inducement. My friend, you get inducement, yes, from market structure, SMC, strategy, and ICT. But still, you have this inducement, 2 times inducement. The minute you see market uses you here, comes back here, make a new high, uses you again. That shows your strategy is wrong. Your strategy has something's wrong with your strategy. There's something you need to add in it. Okay? So, this is where we go now. Hold a minute. Now we have that's where we are now. During time, let's check the time. In this time, it was saa kumi. Market pulled inside that range. Nini nyingine unangoja kuambiwa? No? Hata usipotumia the tools zingine sijui ni nini, what I've done here ni kitu yenye hiko. And I want to tell you guys, take my video, take it to your professional mentor, asikize na umuulize maswali. Hakuna haja ya kudraw charts mitu mingi za nonsense. You should understand what price does. Market will come from one liquidity to another. Internal liquidity, external liquidity. Market will grab liquidity before anything. Kama uone kitu kwa market, don't do anything. Right? So let's now go down to lower time frames to see what. Sisi hata hatujafika lower time frame bado. Ndio sasa tunaenda. Kwa nini tumefika saa 10, right? Na hii saa 10 ndio kuna hii maneno, right? Tena nionyeshe hii kitu vile inafanyangwa maana. So hapa ndio kwetu. So market saa 10 iliingia hapo. Saa 11 ndio hiyo. So we waiting tunataka kuingia kwa hii soko. Yeah? Tunafaa kuingia kwa hii soko. Hii soko tu iko too nice, right? Iko too nice, right? And we have to go for the liquidity. Previous day low, previous week low, right? So here we go. Ni nani hapo haoni jambo? Hmm? Okay. ICT. After taking the liquidity, you can start selling from that point. Why? Your price action is right. You've confirmed. You took all liquidity above your price. It comes time when price aligns with time. You can't put your stop loss above. Sell at least where the fair value gap started. I don't want to get so deep on this entry model. I don't want to get deep on it. I just want to handle it like this because most of us have gone to the essence. It's not a bad strategy. Inahitaji mambo 2, 3, 4, 5 muongezee, usikalie hiyo kitu tu peke yake. Wamesoma hii kitu kabisa na bado wako profitable kabisa. Hata pia mamenta wao wana win leo moja wanamekea dola kesho $100 unaona. So and mimi the thing is not mimi siwezi sema mtu ati wrong. No. Mimi kitu tunaweza waita niwaambie, naweza sema watu wazidi kuweka waongeze something on SMC and ICT. Yes. Na I can just congratulate and recognize wase wenye wote wanafanya mentorship za forex. Okay? Kwa sababu hii ni kitu nilikuwa nalilianga 2016 nikianza hizo kutrade derivative, na ilikuwa binary.com na mabots na nini, right? But now ndoto yangu ishatimia, like now I'm at peace because everything is going right, and people watu hata wanaona, yani education ya forex iko high sana hapa Kenya, na it's a good thing and I support these things 100%. Mtu yule wrong yule msee anaskam wasi maze, kama unajua bado hujagain enough information ya kumenta wasee, wacha kuchukua do yao. We invest hiyo invest do yako kwanza, upate enough information, at least ndio upate unaweza peleka msee na kitu kaa hii aelewe. Yeah? Juu sahii penye tunaelekea hivi, ama youth wetu wote watakuwa wanaweza trade forex charts, hata economy ya nchi inaenda juu sana, right? So we selling above here, right? Let me do something. So every time unahitaji enter trade kwa market, make sure umeona a take of liquidity, right? Mimi unaona nimeandika hii inducement. Mtu why, ask me why. Kwa nini ninaita inducement? That's a liquidity because you can see all this phase market has accumulated. Okay? Market now is manipulated. And immediately after price and time met, market started to distribute from this phase. Okay? That was distribution phase. So I think that's enough. I do say you should know the facts and basic things that you should first consider before you get in this chart. And that is where to start. What do you need to see first before you take any action in this price, right? Because you can see our entry was tested again the next day. So if to get out here after taking the previous day low, we still bearish on this price. So the next day tungekuja tuingie tu tena, right? Now you can see market went back after inducing these guys, because these are first sellers when you walifanya sales during the London session. So market went back here and dropped again, taking the previous liquidity that was left. Now, looking at this price, market this day we sold here, took profit before this, during this London time we took profit. New session ikaanza, ikaisukuma juu na ikaishukisha tena. Now these are the guys I'm talking about wenye wana trade, our trade profit, wana trade kuhedge, like they just trading on equal way, from buyers equally, sellers equally. They selling, they make a loss, they buy again, they make small profit. So they move market up and down, right? So this is what I'm talking about. These are retailers. These are just commercial. Let me call them commercial people. Yeah, they are not trading for profits. They're trading for just not to lose their money. So what I've done here, it's enough information about this forex trading. Very, 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 very important video. Let me tell you, this is very important video, guys. Andoma Mosie, you guys, yeah? Okay. You should go through this video several times. Yeah? Several times. Okay? Several times. So thank you. I will try to do another video showing, adding more information on this, but nothing will change. It will be the same information. This is something very good, and I'm being told by people are telling me that I'm very expensive, but this also is the same thing I take my people through. What you did not hear here, that's what you find at the other side. Because also I give a guide on how you can fish for yourself. Guys, I will make sure that you make profit. I will make sure that. You know, I've come to realize that people have issue like they don't feel like they can take a good right decision in this forex trading, and they have the knowledge already. Maybe like I've done the mentorship on that. They have that woga. They fear to lose. I don't know what they fear to lose. Risking from here to here, it will take almost $10 or else $20 from your $100 account. Risking one is to 6 or 7. Guys, let's meet there. Subscribe, share this video to your friends. Join my WhatsApp and my Telegram group. Make sure you follow Vnchartlabs. This is not a joke. There's no hurry. I have no hurry. Just make sure you are growing with me. I've just took my time. I've sacrificed my time. I've decided to give this free as a as a charity. Let me say, I'm giving back to the community. This information, all this information I'm giving you for free. What are you doing there, guys? Hii ndo shukrani yangu kwa niliitisha uelewa wa hii kitu, wisdom na mambo mengi. I went through a very long journey for me to get there. I started this shit 2016. Mazee, huku hakukuwa mtu alikuwa anafanya hizi takataka. Watu walikuwa tu huku tu, hata sijui nani, hata sijui. The only guy I do talk about anaitwa Mogenti. The Mogenti guy. Yeah? That's the guy we used to talk kidogo. Kuna msee mwingine alikuwa anajiita the Reefs G Hordes. I have even their numbers. And they are doing good now, right? But hawa so huwezi siwasikia. Unaona? Why? Tulikuwa tunafundishana South Africa, mzee anakuja siku moja, mara sijui nini. Then wa mwisho I've paid more than $6,000 nikilipa watu nikijua na date. Because the more una knowledge kwa YouTube una nini unapata na more different information, unapata kuna insider information, kuna takataka mingi, you know. Ndio sasa unakuja unaweka kama kwa akili zako unajiuliza maswali. Wewe kama hii kitu pia ilikuwa tengenezwa, kwa nini wewe usiunde pia usifanye hii kuwe happen, una make dough from it? Mtu asikudanganya ni forex trading hakuna ati 100% win. Mtu asikwambie nonsense. Na akikwambia nonsense mwambie kuje mali niko. Mimi ninawashua wase. Forex kuna vile una make more money from mazi uko na ukishuka sana na Vince hapa na kukwambia unakula 90%. Ukishuka sana kwangu ni 90%. Cause I know what I'm talking about. Hii kitu yote na analyze hivi kwa sababu niko najua data. Kuna information. That's information ndio inapatana na wase wako VIP. Wase wako wamelipa membership. Mimi mtu usikuja hapa anza kuniambia nikupe signal ama nikutradie. Me I have enough. Let me ask you. Profile ya 10k US dollars unapata na $50. Sasa why are you telling me to manage $1,000? What for? Na ninakula 80% profit. So let guys get serious in this. I'm ready to do the membership. Mtu asijiongea. Mtu wacheni kusema ati you are so expensive. No. Wacha kuja na complain kwa inbox zangu. Na watu wengine ninawablock and I'm sorry kama nimekublock, nitawanblock. Mimi wache though mimi sitaki issues, we come through. This is what it is. Jieleze. Hata mimi mwenyewe nilikuwa najieleza wasa inahitajika $600 and I have 500. Najiongea. Na ninaruhusiwa. So jiongee, wacha kucomplain man. Wacha kucomplain, just come in my inbox, tell me what you want to do, what you know. I love doing the mentorship by the way. Mimi napenda sana kwa sababu the more pia nawafundisha the more hii kitu sink na the more inani open zaidi. Sitaki nikuwe mtu tu sina maana hapa. Mimi nahitaji kuguza the community, the society. Nataka kugufikia ule mwingine pia. Right? So already this is good. Hata tukifanya sessions hizi utazipitia. It's only that ni video tu ya hapa juu nimepita mbio mbio. But kuna ile tunaenda one by one. Una identify liquidity, all that, entry, what you need to do, what you need to see, all that. So goodbye. Make sure you subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you. Yes, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Yes, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Check 1 2. Check 1 2.